Today we're gonna be filleting a herring here. Gonna try to make it as boneless as possible. Caught a lot of them outside here, near the boathouse actually. Got a big and nice one here. My father is going to show you how to fillet it. So we have the herring laid down flat here, and we're gonna insert the knife right behind the front fin here at a bit of an angle. And then we're gonna turn the knife around so that we can let it slide down along the backbone of the herring here. You can hear a bunch of bones are crunching through. So once we make it down to the end there, you can see we can take off the fillet slice here.
And there's a female really
delicious roll. Actually, I can take that home and try to cook it as well.
You can do that.
I'm gonna have this one for dinner today. So next up, we're gonna turn the herring around here, and we're gonna slice off the other side here as well, behind the front fin there. And we're gonna let the knife slide down along the backbone of the fish here. Take your time with this side as it's so you don't break through the bones. And there we go. And we take that slice off as well. And here I see really nice fillet here. Taking off a lot of bones already. Gonna discard of that. So cleaned up a little bit here. Now, next we're gonna remove most of the bones. So you can find a lot here in the gut cavity. So we're just gonna cut that section out here. Now it's edible, but as you know with herring, there is a lot of bones in it. So we're just gonna get rid of that. Now, as you get rid of that, there is still gonna be a little bit of bone left in the herring. If you touch with your fingers, you can actually feel where the bones are. And yeah, also there is a little row up here as well. If we cut this off, we're gonna end up with very little meat left. So we usually just keep them as is, like this. But what we can do is remove the skin from them here. And you can do that by trying to peel it back a little bit like this. Get your thumb in there. And you can actually just rip off most of the skin with your fingers, like that. Grandfather's trick. So there you have almost bone-free herrings from that big catch that we got outside here. If you didn't watch that yet, by the way, I'm going to add a link here. You can check it out next. Thanks to my father for helping out with the video. Make sure that you subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next video.